Amsterdam, Netherlands is hosting the most advanced professional cleaning and hygiene show in the world, Interclean Amsterdam. Interclean Amsterdam is an international networking platform for the global cleaning industry. The show has a combined total floor space of 70,000 square meters. In 4 days, around 33,710 professionals from 143 countries will attend the show, showcasing everything a cleaner world needs. The show provides a range of opportunities for businesses to expand their global presence, solidify professional relationships, and stay on top of the newest developments in the market. Since its first edition in 1967, the show has shown a steady growth. Loyalty and appreciation is high. The show is rated 8.2 on a scale of 1 to 10. The show is hosted by the City of Amsterdam. The unique features of the venue, as well as the City of Amsterdam, make it the perfect host for the show. Schiphol Airport is only 15 minutes away from Rai, Amsterdam, and is easy to get to. There are lots of hotels and restaurants. Almost 900 of the world's leading cleaning and hygiene product manufacturers are exhibiting. Put the spotlight on your brand, innovations and new products, and find new friends, relations, partners and prospects from all over the world.
Lots of new innovations and some really good exhibitors.
Biggest exhibition in our industry, right? With a lot of people from different countries, and we want to have a global reach, so that's why this is a really interesting event for us.
Every time I come back to the show, we see new products, you see new innovation in cleaning, technology is continuing to change, so for us we just look at it as a positive for the future.
Come and join us at Interclean Amsterdam 2020.